Greetings. In this video, I'll show you how to create cinematic AI videos using text to video inside Dzine.ai. Step by step, easy for novices, no experience needed. By the end, you'll know how to write cinematic prompts, how to control camera, lighting, and mood, and how to avoid common beginner mistakes. I'll share the exact prompts I use. Let's begin. Now, let's create our first video. Inside Dzine.ai, click AI Tools, then choose Text to Video. Next, I select the video model. Here, I'm using Kling 2.1 Max for cinematic quality. Below that is the prompt box. This is where the magic happens. Beginner tip: always choose a cinematic model. Higher quality models give smoother motion. Now, I'll paste a beginner-friendly cinematic prompt. A slow motion shot of a young man walking through a neon-lit city street at night. Gentle drizzle. Reflections on wet pavement. Shallow depth of field. Glowing streetlights. Dramatic cinematic lighting. Realistic motion blur. Smooth camera. Tracking shot. Moody atmosphere. Ultra-realistic 4K film look. I hit Generate in Dzine.ai. Video creation begins. Prompt breakdown. Slow motion equals smoother movement. Low lit. Wet streets gleam. Equal environment. Shallow depth of field equals cinematic blur. Scene tracking. Shot equals professional camera movement. Completely change the mood by changing just a few words. Warm and calm. A peaceful cinematic shot of a woman near a window. Soft morning sunlight. Warm tones. Camera. Push in. Calm facial expression. Shallow depth of field. Natural light. Film style color grading. Small word changes create totally different results. Starter hint: use mood words like calm, dramatic, emotional, luxury. Lighting controls emotion more than anything. Let me quickly share common beginner mistakes. Writing very short prompts, using words like nice, cool, or beautiful, or skipping camera movement. Instead, always describe emotion. Describe lighting. Describe atmosphere. Now, let me show you a more advanced prompt. You can copy and reuse a cinematic close-up, shot of a confident woman walking toward the camera, dramatic side lighting, soft shadows on the face, shallow focus, slow motion, subtle wind movement in hair, realistic skin texture, cinematic color grading, fluid camera, dolly forward, cinema-grade realism. Adapted text is: this works great for influencers, stories, or short films. Beginner tip: reuse strong prompts and just change the subject. This saves time and improves consistency. And that's how you create cinematic AI videos using text to video inside Dzine.ai. Once you understand prompts, the tool becomes incredibly powerful. If this helped, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more beginner AI filmmaking guides.